What if the sky above us is holding a giant freezing bruise, left behind from the exact moment our entire universe crashed into another parallel dimension? Space is holding glitches that completely break our understanding of reality. Today, we are investigating 5 deeply unsettling and mind-bending space anomalies that will completely change how you view your place in the cosmos. Let's expose the secrets that you would never even think to search on Google. Case number 1. The giant scar on the edge of our reality. While mapping the ancient heat map of our universe, astrophysicists discovered a terrifying anomaly known as the supervoid, or the cold spot. This colossal region of space stretches for nearly 1 billion light-years, containing almost no matter and sitting at a temperature far lower than anything around it. While standard physics struggles to explain this massive cosmic hole, some prominent theoretical physicists propose a mind-bending hypothesis. They believe this freezing void is actually a physical bruise left behind from a violent collision between our baby universe and a completely different parallel universe during the dawn of time. Case number 2. The planetary time warp that makes the Earth's core younger than its crust. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity physically bends time, causing it to flow slower in areas with stronger gravitational forces. Because the solid core of the Earth lies directly at the center of our planet's massive bulk, the intense gravity there slows down time compared to the surface crust. When physicists calculated this relativistic effect over our planet's 4.5 billion year lifespan, they made a shocking discovery. The core of our Earth is actually 2.5 years younger than the very ground we are standing on. Case number 3. The brand new scientific discovery proving black holes have a cosmic digestive system. In mid-2026, astronomers using the Very Large Telescope observed a binary system called Swift J1727.8-1613. They discovered that instead of acting as inescapable vacuum cleaners, black holes actually behave like highly complex digestive systems. As they swallow gas from nearby stars, they violently expel huge portions of this matter back into interstellar space via powerful winds and jets. Remarkably, the study proved that these dramatic eruptions continue throwing matter out even when the black hole itself dims and reduces its active feeding. Case number 4. The apocalyptic galactic collision where absolutely nothing will physically crash. In approximately 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy is set to slam into our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. While this event sounds like a terrifying cosmic apocalypse, the reality is beautifully ghostly. Because the distances between individual stars in both galaxies are so astronomically vast, the probability of any two stars physically colliding is practically zero. Instead, both galaxies will silently pass directly through each other, gently intertwining their gravitational fields for billions of years until they merge into one massive, peaceful elliptical galaxy. Case number 5. The tragic cosmic trick that will make future civilizations believe they are entirely alone in the universe. Because our universe is expanding at an ever-accelerating rate, a terrifying event will occur in several hundred billion years. All other galaxies will be pushed so incredibly far away from us that their light will never be able to reach our telescopes again. Any intelligent life forms that evolve in this distant, dark epoch will look up at the night sky and see nothing but an absolute endless void. They will naturally conclude that their single galaxy is the only thing that has ever existed. Which of these cosmic anomalies left you the most shocked? Share your thoughts in the comments and click the next video on your screen to keep exploring the mind-blowing secrets you'd never search on Google.